When assembling your Handi-Saver shed, start with assembling the walls. Grab the standard wall sheet and the two 700mm sidewall channels. Use the 10x16mm hex head self-drilling screws to screw through the 3 pilot holes into the crest of the sheet. Repeat this process for the remaining side wall, front wall and back wall. For the back wall, overlap the 2 sheets on the crest. Then continue to attach and screw the wall channels into place. Rivet the sheets together where they overlap on the crest with a 3.2mm rivet. Attach one of the door jambs to your sheet. Then attach both your front wall channels to either end and secure by drilling 10x16mm self-drilling screws into the pilot holes. Now, slide the outer door jamb onto the wall channels, making sure you leave a 763mm gap between the 2 door jabs to allow for door assembly. Then drill with 10x16mm self-drilling screws.